guys, Mima here. Today I'm going to go over the learning resources that I use to gain IT knowledge and certification. So with everything going on right now, it's a good time to learn a new skill or expand on something you already know. You know, we can't go outside, a lot of things are closed, some of us are working from home, so it's important to stay busy. A lot of us crave that social interaction, or we crave the outdoors, but since we're kind of stuck at home and isolated, it's a great time to review your career path. It's a good time to think about your job responsibilities and learn something new. So there are tons of resources out there. There's professionals with online tutorials, there's programs that are monthly subscriptions, there's websites that are self-paced videos that you can learn on your own time. So I'm going to show you my screen for the majority of this video because most of my resources are actually online. So let me grab some screen recordings and I'll show you everything I use to learn new things. Okay, so here is my screen. The first resource I will show you is CBT Nuggets. This website provides a wide range of online lectures taught by IT professionals in a whiteboard setting. Subscribers have access to their self-paced training videos 24/7, which makes it super convenient to study on your own time. What I like about CBT Nuggets is that it offers training videos in different career paths. So you can sort your videos by vendor, like Cisco, Microsoft, VMware, or you can sort by career path. So you can see there's network admin, and you know exactly what you should be studying. Systems admin, and what you should be studying there. There's cyber, there's cloud, there's different things. These are just suggestions, but it will keep you on the track of what your job or career path is. Another site that I frequently use is Microsoft Learn. Microsoft offers free role-based courses and learning paths for Azure, 365, Power Platform, and more. Similar to CBT Nuggets, these training sessions are self-paced and can prep you for IT certifications. So here are a few of the career paths and courses that Microsoft offers for free. So you can see Azure, there's 365, some of the favorite ones right here, and it kind of lays it out. So Microsoft definitely has your back when it comes to learning. So I will quickly mention a few educational resources that provide university courses. That is Udacity and edX. So these websites provide online lectures taught by university professors. These programs offer a wide range of courses. Some are self-paced and free, others are not. But you can see here's Udacity, and there's different IT, computer science courses. edX, same thing. You can kind of sort by which kind of course you want. Here's the subjects, and you can choose here. And just, depending on the actual program you choose, these are self-paced, these have a start date. But it's super useful if you like the whole university feel. This is exactly what you can benefit from. So the last thing I'm going to show you are the knowledge bases that I frequently use. Most vendors have knowledge bases or documentation to help with common procedures or troubleshoot common issues. Some vendors even have how-to videos and tutorials, which are super helpful when you're in a pickle. SonicWall actually has a lot of resources that are helpful for you. These are just some of the data sheets for any projects that you're on. They also have videos, they have ebooks, like their resources are off the charts. Another knowledge base that I use is Cisco. So Cisco also has great documentation. They also have videos, they have a blog as well, and they host some webinars if you're into that. So there's just different, depending on what you're working on, sometimes, things can get confusing. Sometimes you have to, do some troubleshoot method, and this knowledge base is actually super helpful when it comes to that. So I use that. And then the last knowledge base that I'm going to show you is Azure. So for Azure, you can browse by different features or different products. You can type it in there as well. And here's just popular questions that may come up. They also have documentation, they have training. So if you need anything like this is super helpful for you too. That's it for now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want another video expanding on any of the topics that I discussed, please let me know. I love making videos on this topic, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.